8264 New Leaf. So we're in the master bedroom right now, and we just realized that this window, when you try to open it, hits the bracket. That bracket. And there's another one down there. And we just need to adjust it out so the window opens more smoothly. Unless McKenna thinks that it's not necessary. Same issue with this window. It's very small, minor thing to do. Okay. Oh, closet door guides were installed here. And 2 more were installed here and here. John is working on finding the correct cinder blocks. I believe he'll be back in just a bit. They're also just finishing touch-up. The property was rekeyed. Weather stripping was done at the fire door. As you can see, it looks very nice. And I will show you the anti-siphon valve. He's looking for the cinder blocks for that area. And we have a new anti-siphon valve. So, McKenna will be here soon. John is working on the wall, and photos are scheduled.